Got me some rattle can paint here. I'm gonna try to black some of this out under here. This is long overdue, and I'm just tired of looking at that old dirty, nasty chunk and all these control arms and drag links, and try to make it look a little better. Okay, I finished touching up everything under there with a little black paint. Got it looking, I think, really good. I even did the rear chunk. Did the skid plate on the fuel tank, the skid plate under the transmission. Just a couple of cans of black paint, and makes all the difference in the world. I've been looking under here for quite some time thinking that looks so nasty, and that looks so good, it looks brand new. So I got old JJ washed up and looking pretty good. I decided to take my tire carrier off just to kind of mix it up a little bit, because I like the wet looks without it too. But those little rubber foam pieces that I put on there on the tire carrier to protect my paint, it kind of etched into my clear coat right there. I've already buffed over it with a buffer, so it's pretty deep. I could water sand it and get it out. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's kind of disappointing. It was really seized on there. I had to pull and pull and pull, and it finally broke loose, and I was afraid it was pulling so hard it might pull some paint off. But anyway, that's minor. You can't see it from a distance. I can see it a little bit, but it don't look bad. It don't look good either. But anyway, got old JJ done. And I had somebody asking me the other day about power steering gearbox. And no, it does not leak after I put the seals in it. It's dry as a bone. So that turned out good. Had another person ask me what my favorite mod was that I've done to the Jeep. I'd have to say there's probably 3 that's my favorite. Bumpers, headlights going along with the tail lights that I put in, and probably my most useful mod that I have done, that has been the most useful, are these switches I put in. Pull them out and it kills your door alarm, and it kills the light on the inside. This is probably the single most useful mod I have done to the Jeep, and it probably cost about $20 to $25 to do that. And if you're interested in getting you one of these switches, they don't come black like that. I sprayed over mine, and I wish I hadn't. It normally comes in this lighter color right here. And anyway, mine's peeling off because I was a moron and sprayed it black. But anyway, if you want one of those or 2 of those, I'll leave a link in the description of this video of where I installed these, and I left a link in that video as to where you can get those at. So I got something else I want to show y'all. I have recently purchased a much needed, and I've already done some mods to it, but I keep my socket set you see me use so many times in here, along with all these drawers. I got all these drawers full of stuff, and I needed this so bad. Got all my measuring tools in here. Loaded myself down with some wrenches and some more sockets. This right here I picked up today. This is the sockets have got a hole that goes all the way through them, so you can get a studded bolt, and you can put it on, and you won't have to use a deep well. You can use these short sockets and get in really close quarter areas. And this is kind of just a miscellaneous drawer. I've still got other stuff I can put in there. But one of the things I've done that I really like, I got all my tools, my drivers and stuff, under the bottom. But I've also got my battery chargers on the side of this thing. I bought me some of those rare earth magnets, and got these things where, man, these magnets are strong. Anyway, and I've got a power strip mounted up under the bottom, and I have one plug I can plug into the wall, which is right there, and it powers all of my chargers, so I can charge all my batteries at the same time. While I was there, I went ahead and picked up me a towel dispenser, just because you always need to go in the house and get the towels, and you're grabbing the doorknobs and stuff with your dirty hands. And now I've got access to something to clean my hands with, and gloves. Got me a glove dispenser while I was there, so got some of these expensive rubber gloves. Man, the prices went up on those lately. So this is a much needed item for me, as much as I work on vehicles and have all these tools and needed a place to put them. And I'm so proud of it. I got green to match my little titanium welder. I had thought about one time maybe even putting my welder down here under the bottom, but I've got that little cart and I've got it cluttered up already, so I'm gonna just hang on to it. So anyway, guys, I thank y'all for stopping by today and coming and watching the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all my subscribers. If you're watching this video and you hadn't subscribed yet, I wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit that like button. It'll help the channel out so much. And I'm still on the look for another Jeep build. I haven't found one yet that fits what I want to do. So when I find it, I'll have it on the channel. I'll be building it as well. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all come back next time. We'll see what we got going then. Yeah.